Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into more exciting juice recipes and tips to take your fruit game to the next level. Drawbacks of store-bought juices. Grabbing a pre-packaged juice from the store can be convenient, but it often comes at the expense of quality and health benefits. Here are some drawbacks you might want to consider. High in added sugars. Many store-bought juices contain added sugars that can spike your calorie intake without filling you up. These sugars add sweetness but strip away any claims of being healthy. Loaded with preservatives. To extend shelf life, manufacturers often add preservatives. While these may not harm you in small amounts, they dilute the natural purity of fruit juice. Reduced nutrients. During pasteurization, a process used to kill bacteria and extend shelf life, heat can destroy some vitamins and antioxidants. What's left is often a drink that's far less nutritious than fresh juice. Not as 100% as they seem. Even when a label says 100% juice, it may have been reconstituted from concentrate or blended with flavor enhancers. This can sometimes result in a drink that tastes slightly off from what you'd expect. The convenience of store-bought juices might be tempting, but you'll pay for it in terms of both taste and nutrition. How to choose a healthy store-bought juice. If homemade juice isn't always an option, don't worry, you can still make healthier choices at the store. By paying attention to a few key details, you can find options that won't compromise your health goals. Here's what to look for. Scan the ingredient list. A shorter list is usually better. The best juices will list just one ingredient, the fruit itself. Avoid products with added sugars, artificial flavors, or unrecognizable chemicals. Look for cold-pressed. Cold-pressed juices retain more nutrients because they aren't subjected to high heat during the production process. If you want something closer to homemade, this is your best bet. Check the sugar content. Even natural fruit juices can be high in sugar, but some brands go overboard. Look for juices with no added sugar and keep an eye on the grams per serving. Avoid from concentrate products. While not inherently bad, juices made from concentrate lack the full flavor and nutrient profile of fresh pressed or freshly squeezed options. Go for pulp or no pulp. Pulp adds fiber, so if digestion is a focus, choose juicy options that include it. Otherwise, a pulp-free option is perfectly fine too. Taking a few seconds to read labels and educate yourself about the product can save you from buying something that looks healthy on the outside but isn't. By weighing these factors and choosing wisely, you can decide between homemade and store-bought juices based on your lifestyle, budget, and health goals, without sacrificing flavor. Incorporating fruity juices into a healthy lifestyle. Fruity juices are more than just a tasty treat. They can easily become a thoughtful part of your daily routine. With their vibrant flavors, natural nutrients, and versatility, juices can add a healthy punch to your meals and snacks. Let's dive into how you can seamlessly incorporate fruity juices into your lifestyle. Juice as a breakfast staple. Starting your day with fruity juice can be the spark your morning routine needs. Pairing a glass of juice with your breakfast is not only refreshing but also energizing. Many juices, like orange or grapefruit, are high in vitamin C, which supports your immune system and helps you feel awake and alert. Here are some simple ways to make fruity juice a breakfast essential. Classic pairing. Sip on fresh squeezed orange juice alongside eggs and whole grain toast to round out your meal. Smoothie addition. Use pineapple or mango juice as a liquid base in a smoothie bowl for a tropical morning treat. Light breakfast option. Pair a small glass of apple juice with Greek yogurt topped with fruit and granola for a quick yet satisfying start. Juice in the morning doesn't have to be complicated. It's about choosing options that complement your breakfast and give you a nutrient boost to tackle your day. using juices as a post-workout refreshment. After a good workout, your body craves hydration and a quick burst of energy. Fruity juices can be the perfect video drink because they replenish fluids and natural sugars while delivering essential nutrients like potassium. Think of them as a more wholesome alternative to sugary sports drinks. Why are fruity juices great after exercising? Rehydrates your body. Juices like watermelon or cucumber are naturally high in water content, which helps replace lost fluids. Replenishes electrolytes. Coconut water and citrus juices contain potassium to support muscle recovery and prevent cramps. Boosts energy. The natural sugars in juices, such as apple or pineapple, provide a quick energy lift without artificial ingredients. After your next workout, try sipping a refreshing blend of tart cherry juice mixed with coconut water. It's not only delicious but also known to help reduce muscle soreness. Recipes for fruity juice blends. Homemade juice blends are an easy way to experiment with flavors while packing in even more nutrients. You get to control what goes into your glass, ensuring a healthier, fresher experience than most store-bought options. Here are some simple, tasty ideas to try. Green apple spinach juice. Ingredients: 2 green apples, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1 small cucumber, juice of 1 lemon. Instruction: blend all ingredients together to create a mild, refreshing drink packed with antioxidants and iron. Tropical fruit medley. Ingredients: 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1 mango, peeled and sliced, 1 orange, peeled, and a splash of coconut water. Instruction: blend these tropical fruits for a smooth, sunny drink perfect for warm mornings or an afternoon pick-me-up. Berry beet blast. Ingredients: 1 small beet, peeled, 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and a few mint leaves for freshness. Instruction: blend until smooth and vibrant. The earthiness of the beet pairs perfectly with the tart sweet berries. Juice blends aren't just beverages, they're a creative way to enjoy fruits and vegetables in one delicious sip. Plus, experimenting with different combinations lets you discover new flavors that suit your taste buds. Incorporating fruity juices into your day doesn't need a big overhaul. A small addition here or there can go a long way in boosting your energy and nutrition while keeping your diet interesting. Sustainability and ethical considerations. The choices we make about fruity juices extend beyond flavor and health. They have a broader impact on the planet and the people involved in production. Let's explore how selecting the right fruits and packaging can make a meaningful difference. Sourcing organic fruits. Choosing organic fruits for your juices isn't just about avoiding pesticides, it's a vote for a healthier planet. Organic farming skips synthetic chemicals and focuses on natural methods, which helps protect the soil, water, and surrounding ecosystems. By supporting organic growers, you're contributing to a more sustainable and responsible form of agriculture. Why should this matter to you? Consider these points. Fewer chemicals in your juice. Organic fruits are grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, so you're not drinking down unwanted chemicals. Better for biodiversity. Organic farming encourages wildlife to thrive by avoiding harmful substances that disrupt ecosystems. Bees, butterflies, and birds benefit directly from organic practices. Healthier soil. Organic farms use natural compost and crop rotation, which helps the soil stay rich and productive for future crops. Supporting organic fruit also means supporting farmers who prioritize sustainable practices. Yes, organic can be pricier, but think of it as an investment in both your health and the environment. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.